Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring blooming plants that follow the calendar, giving you flowers 365 days a year. Let's look into these plants that bloom each month. Starting off in January with the Christmas cactus. It blooms from late November to the beginning of the year, taking advantage of longer nights to produce beautiful flowers. In February, the spotlight is on the African violet. Sensitive to light, it comes into full bloom as the days gradually lengthen, signaling the end of winter. March marks the arrival of spring, and the peace lily shows its beauty with beautiful flowers. Increased light and temperatures make this the perfect time for blossoms. April wouldn't be complete without the gorgeous blooms of orchids. Thriving in bright but indirect light, they stand out with their unique blossoms, welcoming spring. As May arrives with warmer temperatures, it's ideal for the growth and flowering of geraniums. Long sunlight hours are crucial for vibrant blossoms. In June, begonias took the stage. Responding to longer daylight hours, they burst into bloom as the days get longer. Simple and beautiful. July introduces us to the majestic hibiscus. Blooming in response to high sunlight levels, these large flowers are a must-have in midsummer. Longer daylight hours create an ideal environment for full bloom. August brings us the vibrant gloxinia. Following the principle of photoperiodism, the longer sunlight duration sets the stage for these specimens to burst into full bloom. As we step into September, chrysanthemums steal the show. Symbols of fall, they offer a stunning display in the 11th month. Requiring longer nights to trigger flowering aligns perfectly with November's characteristics. October introduces us to cyclamen. Triggered by a drop in temperatures, these blossoms come in pink, white, and red hues, a beautiful addition to your garden. November is all about kalanchoe. As a short day plant, it needs longer periods of darkness to initiate flowering. The 11th month provides just that. Shorter days and longer nights, creating a perfect setting for these plants to bloom. And finally, December brings us the iconic poinsettia. While not exactly flowers, their colorful bracts are stunning during the festive season. The color transition happens in response to the shorter daylight hours, typical of winter. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.